turn the gosh darn TV off. The news is not okay. It's constantly negative. We don't start our day watching the news. We never watch the news, to be totally honest. Someone could be like, oh, did you see that? And we're like, no, sorry. We don't do the news. And if we don't, we have a rule. No negativity allowed in our office. It's really sad to me that negativity spreads like wildfire, where we're begging people to be kind and happy. It makes no sense, but that change starts in this room with yourself. So, no negativity allowed, and our family knows no negativity. No one brings us gossip, no one brings us drama. To be our best selves and to help as many people as we want to help in the world, we just don't have time to think about that. I'm not saying be ignorant as to what's going on in the world. I'm just saying check yourself on when you want to watch that or when you want to put that into your brain, because it can affect your whole day.